Hi, today I'm making cowboy caviar. So I'm having a dinner party. It is almost the end of the summer season, so I want to make sure that I got a chance to entertain. And so I thought I'd make this salad. It can serve as a salad, a dip. It's a really versatile recipe. So we're going to begin with a can of black beans. I actually used frozen black eyed peas for this, but I would recommend getting a can of black eyed peas. I think they're a little softer. I used the frozen ones because I thought, oh, well, this will be a nice fresh salad. And I just found that the frozen ones were, they were okay, but I think the canned one would have been a little better. So you're going to rinse the beans. And then you're going to rinse the black beans out of the can as well. So you're going to begin with 3 green onions, and you're going to cut that finely with a 1/4 cup of red onion. You'll do a 1/2 cup of finely diced red bell pepper, and you'll add a can of corn. So this is like an 8-ounce can of corn here. And you're going to add that. You're going to drain the water off of it for sure. You'll add 2 finely diced Roma tomatoes. You're going to do cilantro. You're going to chop that very finely, as well as a 1/2 of a medium-sized jalapeno. Now you want to take the seeds out. And then 2 avocados, and they're going to be chopped finely as well. So it actually ends up being a type of salsa, but it can serve as a salad. Now I made the vinaigrette off camera, so it's a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1 lime, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. You'll pour that dressing over the salad, and if you're serving it as salsa, you will get some corn chips, and you can eat it with the corn chips, or you can serve it as a salad. You're going to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes, and it's a great summer complement to any barbecue.